I'm gonna ride with you.
I'm not here.
But you ride with me. I'll drive. Yeah, I want to go.
Okay.
Get this for you, and we'll see the key. Oh, it's cold as I don't know what. Oh, man.
Goodness gracious. Well, let's take a quick little tour. Look around this thing. Yeah, it's a mansion. So we're giving you the tour right now, y'all, of where we stand for the next couple days. The pool outside. Okay. Oh, it's lit, y'all. Bathroom, everything you need in here. Let's make our way around the other side real quick. See what we got inside some of these doors. Oh, just a little cleaning stuff. Just a little cleaning stuff right here, y'all. Nothing really all that crazy. Oh, we got bedroom number 1 right here. Let's just go ahead and just check out the whole thing, y'all. Why not? Got the nice walk-in bathroom. See what they got in there. You're hanging stuff in the closet. Oh yeah, this gonna be lit, y'all. It's gonna be lit. Okay. It's the garage right here. We already got flotation devices and things like that. GS glove slippers. So we right here. We in the room. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Master right here. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty dope. Even got the TV in that thing, boy. You know what I'm saying? TV in that thing. Really, really dope. I ain't really getting to give y'all a tour of how we was living the last couple of days. So rooms is a little messy. We about to leave, but this is a spot that we stayed in for the last like 3 days. So I'm just give y'all a slight tour. We on the 2nd floor right now. Let's get it. Yep. Up to the 3rd floor. People are already here to clean, you know. long way down.